Hello, my name is Lisa Carolina Gomez, student of Linux Grabando. Type 2 Planning Strategies. The blogs. Blogs is a web page or website where you publish content on a special part. The blog page that is used to write periodically in order to achieve certain objectives. The regularly published content are called articles or posts. How to use the blog? To access a blog, please create an account and email. Then go to the link www.blogger.com to register the account. The blog profile. The blog profile is edited when we are on our profile. Click on Create a blog. The name of the blog is a snake and the blog line is created with visitors cannot say it. Choose the template you want to work with, and that then we have already created the blog. Then we create posts and publish them so that they can be visible. Notably that we depend on the blog educational. In a blog, we can create educational blogs which we use as a tool to teach a certain topic. Step by step tutorials. With is intended that our students repeat our instruction step by step on the blog. New is created with which we keep our attention format. Videos can be outlined according to the topic or infographics of the theme topic. The blog education. The blog is used to be creative, to propose and result more motivation, didactic sequence, to launch our communication skills, understanding and intuition, to exercise our ability to work in groups and to enjoy all of these. Ways to use the blog in the classroom. Teacher's blog, where teachers use of application, homework are proposed and students participate by practicing what is asked of the and the answer to the question in the comments. Chat blog between students and teachers English classroom. Experience as child and some activities are collected to be recorded and how application applications, songs, stories. Students as publish their work on it. Class or school blog where they today on the classroom stool and student student organizing, for example, assigning weekend reports to the class, and teachers create the content and explain from their point or by the situation that they experience inside or outside the classroom. Blog for projects in this group or organize in questions and ask students about to publish the information they are learning, comments and need to ask concretely clarify a student blog in which everyone vows their own as a learning curriculum agreed with the education in the you can show a list of tools that the student use to communicate the content in the way that they consider it most appropriate. For instance, exam time, closing, nomination. Thank you for your attention. Bye.